Hello everybody, my name is Cubester. Today we're playing don't press this button, guys. This button holds a very dark secret. And today I'm gonna find a way to stop us pressing this button and go through all the horrible events that people have experienced with this stupid button. Let's do it. Let's play. Is there a hot potato? Is there a hot potato? What? What the fuck? Zombies are roaming the city. No! That's the best you could do. Make our arms look like we're hugging someone. Pathetic, but also cute, kinda. Why is he just standing right there? Quiet! I actually suck at this. Why do I actually suck at this? Run! Hey, you guys just... Wait a minute. I got this much coins? Give me that. What is wrong? You can't just... On! Okay, hot potato again. This sucks. Oh! No! Who's blowing? Not my red thing. Well, it's almost. Yeah, I can spam click this at least easy. What the world? What? Why is there a bomb behind me? What is going on? Help! Help, guys! Help! Oh. What just happened? You already moved. Yeah. Give me that button. I gotta press the button. I'll go through all the terror. I like them already. Oh! Oh, it's really simple! Listen, guys, please do not talk about the one time I saw someone. Do not bring that up, or else I might come after you. Oh, is it points? We get double points? Great! Get on your feet, right? Oh, he's come back! He came back from the bed! Why do I... Yeah! I won with 27 points! That's right! That's right! What do the people have to say? No one. Literally no one. This is sad. This is the saddest day of my life. Get ready to dodge lasers. Stay away from red platforms. Which one's red platform? Whoa! Oh. I just fine. Wow! Yeah, guys, we're fine. We're fine. Wow! Of course I both decide. What just happened? Oh! What? No! What is going on? No! I was meant to spawn too! Wait, do I have my... Okay. That's great. Wait a minute. Somebody got a bomb! Oh, but it's just a birthday bomb. Yeah, guys, that's fine. Don't fall in. This will be easy, though. I just got into that black thing. Okay, so it's an invisible one. What the world? Is this a Looney Tunes song? What the world? What the? Yeah, the conveyor stopped. Did someone just kill themselves? Oh, you got the bomb again. Lasers will come towards the safe spot. Where's the safe spot? We're gonna turn it out! How did you die from that? How did you just die? It! No! How did you just die? Did that die? Now he's saying The bomb isn't gonna kill you guys, it's just exploding! Okay, no one survived at all. How do you feel that bad? Don't screw up this shot. Don't wait. Oh, the zombies are coming. Whoa, he's back. Whoa! More! Wait, no, you can't just do that! That's cheating! You're cheating! Stop! That was completely an accident. What is going on? I had to make sure my mic was on before this, or else I would have been everything. And just hearing no audio and just gameplay. The zombies win. That's sad. I hate zombies. They steal my brains. Bomb? What the world? It's a bomb! It's a bomb! It's a bomb! Mamma mia! I think I was trained for this. Wait. Mamma mia! Mamma mia! Mamma mia! What the world? What, yo? That's what you get, idiot. Boom! 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 I stopped the bombs. Let's make it move. Yeah. Oh wait. There might be a chance I might. What are you guys doing? Yeah. I'm the first piece of the door. Oh. Here's the key. I can only hold one. That's insane. They're right on the shelf. How many keys are there? Wait, is that the workout pizza place? Oh, it's on the right key. Yeah, guys, I just... Okay, we're in the galaxy? What the world? Did we stop space or time or something? Yeah, guys, so this is what I mean by don't press this button or just press. What the what? Wait, dude! Why are you doing? Wait. Give me the diamond. Oh man, we're back to normal level. A lever is hiding somewhere in the bushes. Find it and pull it to open the temple door. Sorry guys, I'm having hiccups. Oh, sorry. You know, guys, friends never. That's it. Alright! Now you open it. Yes, give it coin. What can I buy? T-shirt candle. That's useless. A speed vial is definitely worth. It definitely works. This is the launch a trio of names. Throwable pie. Annoy your business card. Yeah, of course I will do that. I love annoying people. Get the pie. That's what you get. Get your pie. Wait, spinning cube? Stay on spinning cube as long as you can. Wait, what? What the? What is going? What is going on? Oh. Ah. What is going on? Yes. Ooh, I'm not going to that spot. Why not? Ooh. What is going on? I completely didn't know what was happening. I got hiccups. I got bumped. Let me just press that.
Let's go trick-or-treating.
Should we knock on the door? The worst thing that could happen is a ghost answer. Bro, I'm not scared. Okay, maybe. Okay, something bad about to happen. Trick or treat. You wasn't a ghost. Thanks for the candy. Plus, I get my free pie. What the world? It made my head big. Help! I got poison. Help! Guess I'm like this. Looking ugly. Move those big head stuff out of the way. What is that? 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 What was that? Oh. Get ready to color these tiles. Team with the most colored wins. This should be easy. Color! Go everywhere! Oh, we're on the red team, but this actually might win. Let's go. Alright! It's mine. Why would you just switch to that team? Whatever, it doesn't matter. Yeah, the red team got the most. Is this the blue team? Please don't be the blue team. Ah! Wow, I'm late. The same thing to go. No. Of course I'm not gonna answer. What? There's a ghost this time. Or maybe. Of course it's not. Well, you're an idiot. It's a dog! Oh no! What's up with the dog? What's going on? I got my big looking head, and yet I still can handle my body. What the world? What the world? Ghost Survivor.
Hey, Ubisoft's Michael here.
This sucks. Remember what cup the coin is in. This might be easy. This is easy. Wait, why? I was paying attention. I wasn't paying attention. Oh no! How, guys? Is it this one? Choose a cup. That one. That was the wrong one, I think. Choose a cup. Let's see if you got the correct one. Oh no. I gotta run! No! Why was that so goofy? And guys, that's why you don't press a button. Don't ever do it! Don't ever! Whatever guys, that's the video. Now I need to fix my head. Goodbye, see you guys in the next video. Bye. What the heck?